In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your default Gmail address or email address on Pinterest. So it's very much simple and easy. Let's get going. You can see I'm on my Pinterest account and this is my wall. So I tap on this, which is my profile there, and then I move to this side, which is the settings. So on here, what I need to do is I need to move to my account management. Good. So here you can see my email address there. This is my tutorial email address. I tap on that, and if you have any email in mind, you enter it and then you change it. So let me change it to one of our Gmails. So let me start editing it from here. Now let me make it this. So let me clear this. Good. So now after entering your preferred email, just tap on the next. Good. So you need to verify your email. They are going to send you a verification code through that Gmail. Once you confirm it, you're good to go. So I sincerely don't want to change the Gmail of this Pinterest account. But then if you want to change it, you just go to your Gmail, you enter the code here, you're good to go. Your Gmail will be changed, something like that. I'll be canceling it. Good. So they will ask me if I want to save changes. So in this case, I don't want to save any changes, so I leave it like that. So I leave. Yeah. So that's it on how you can change your Gmail address or your email address on Pinterest. That's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.